Preparing Schedule C for business takes a long, hard look at Schedule C. Most of us do a lot of Schedule C work during the tax year, but even if you're a pro at this, there's always something new to learn. We'll start with the types of income that are reported on Schedule C. And you might be surprised at this, by the way. I've talked to a lot of tax preparers who think that interest is always reported on Schedule B, no exceptions, and that's actually not the case. And sometimes canceled debts should be reported on Schedule C. So I think you're going to find there are some surprises here. We'll do a line-by-line review of the expenses that we take on Schedule C. We'll talk about where and how to report cost of goods sold. Vehicle expenses, we'll talk about the standard mileage method versus actual expenses, when you can switch it back and forth between the two, and vehicle record-keeping requirements. Meals, gifts, mixed-use property like cell phones, we'll talk about pretty much everything. We'll also review the most common types of assets that are depreciated or Section 179 for small businesses, and then home office, when you should allow it, when you shouldn't, how to calculate it. And then we'll wind up with some case studies of typical businesses and their Schedule Cs. Small business taxation is actually one of my favorite topics, so I really hope you'll spend some time with me to talk about it.